In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host website on GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right hosting plan, edit your website so it looks polished, and make it live for everyone to see, including exactly where to publish if you're using GoDaddy's website builder. Let's start with the foundation, purchasing a plan. Head over to GoDaddy.com and browse their hosting options. Pick a plan that matches your needs, whether you're launching a simple brochure site or something more content heavy. Look at storage, performance, included features like SSL and backups, and take a moment to check renewal pricing so there are no surprises later. Once you've found a good fit, add it to your cart, choose the billing term that works for you, and proceed through checkout. You'll be prompted to create or sign into your account and confirm your purchase. When that's done, you'll land in your GoDaddy dashboard where you can manage everything in one place. Next, it's time to edit the website. Open the site editor from your dashboard. If you're using GoDaddy's website builder, you'll see a clean visual editor where you can choose a design and start customizing. Update your pages with your own text, images, and branding. Keep navigation simple so visitors can find what they need quickly. Use concise headlines, clear calls to action, and high-quality images that are optimized for fast loading. As you go, save your work frequently and use the built-in preview to see how your site looks on desktop and mobile. Aim for consistency in fonts and colors, and make sure your contact details and key messages are easy to spot. When your content looks good, it's time to go live. Do a final review, click through every page, test buttons and forms, and scan for typos. If you're using Website Builder, click Publish at the top right of the editor. GoDaddy will generate your site and push it live, which may take a moment. Refresh the page to confirm it's visible. And remember, anytime you make changes later, just click Publish again to update what visitors see. If you're working within a different GoDaddy hosting setup, the Go Live step is simply making your site public from your hosting dashboard once your content is ready. After publishing, check your site on both mobile and desktop. If something looks outdated, try a hard refresh or a private window. Keep your dashboard bookmarked so you can return to make quick updates anytime. That's it. You've purchased a plan, edited your website, and gone live on GoDaddy.